Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in real time and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. Today we had amazing volatility. Alright, so if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar and the Dollar CAD. Okay, if you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at the 4-hour, our buys from Friday was long. As you can see here, we had this breakout, and that was the Asian session. I did analysis yesterday, and I also mentioned in my yesterday analysis review. If you haven't seen that video, you can watch that video. Link is given in the video description. So we were long from Asian session, and we were long in London morning too, and we banked beautiful pips as soon as the price hit this level. And this is the news reaction that's basically testified. There's a high impact news for the pound dollar, for the dollar. And as I said to you guys, we don't trade during the news, but after the news, we were long at this level as soon as the price broken. And that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to respect this level, which is previously, you can see here, broken and looking for another pullback at this level. So we had this reversal after the news and beautiful counter long trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market both ways, in long and short, in Euro USD, as you can see here. All right, so if you look at the Euro USD, as I said to you, okay, let me put my pointer on. So we were looking this breakout trade in 4-hour. Okay, let me get my pointer. Yeah, so okay, so this is the breakout as mentioned in 4-hour. This is the breakout we were looking here, and this is the breakout. And in 4-hour and intraday, this is the analysis I did. This is the analysis which I explained to my trader. We might going to have some pullback, which is price nicely developed pullback. But once I explained to my trader, price developed a triple bottom here. You can see here. So we're looking at breakout, but the safest way, if the price gonna break this previous high, which is explained in 4-hour, you can see here. And as soon as the price broken and retest, and that's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. Afterward, we had such a nice, beautiful long trade here. And once we bank some profit, and then at the London morning session, I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. We have very strong bullish momentum. Price nicely broken the previous high here. And we had the one pullback. Afterwards, we have a second pullback. So we had such amazing trade. Once the price hit this level in 4-hour, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade on Euro USD. And afterwards, once the news reaction, after the news, I explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this one, then we're going to be taking a counter long trade here. So we haven't taken this one because that's the news reaction. As I said to you guys, we don't trade during the news, especially there's a speech going on. So once that is done, once we see the market and we look at it in 4-hour, there's a possibility of reversal or bias was long. So as you can see here, the price broken, even the price broken after the breakout, price retest. That's what we explain. And as soon as the price hit this level again in 4-hour, as you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here, we had a beautiful counter long trade, bank beautiful pips. We had a beautiful in the London morning, you can see here, and New York session, we had a long here. So we had a quite amazing trades on Euro USD. Let's move into the pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar, and we had some beautiful long trade here as soon as the price hit this level. Explain to my trader, price developed respecting it. So we'll see if the price is going to break, then long, otherwise short trade here. And if I show you the analysis, intraday analysis, we had it this long trade from here and bank beautiful pips. And if you show you this analysis, okay, so we had this breakout this morning. As you can see here, this was a pretty straightforward breakout at this level, price nicely. And as soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for another pullback, which price did develop pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed. We have this breakout trade. So just before the news release, justified high impact news started at 3 p.m. exactly, you can see here 3 p.m. explain to my trader, tight your stop loss, because manage your risk, because we have to, before the news, we need to manage our position. And as soon as I said, after that, price straight away came down, and that's, you can see here, that's the news reaction. But as I said to you guys, we don't trade news. After the news reaction, as you can see here, around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m, I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then we're going to take a long trade here, otherwise short continuation. As you can see here, price nicely broken. Once the price break and retest, that's give us the confirmation. As soon as the price hit this level, which is, you can see here, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we can see here we had such a nice beautiful long trade here, and then we didn't have the short trade, because I said to you, we don't trade news. But after the news, we had a counter long trade on pound dollar. So we had a quite amazing trades on EURUSD and pound dollar. Let's see in the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had, even now, if our bias was long, as you can see here. So we had a quite interesting trades on, if you look at the dollar CAD, even we have this sort of like a pattern consolidation, but as being an intraday, that's what exactly we're looking into it. So what happened here this morning, as you can see here, 7 o'clock, we have this breakout, and which technically, as mentioned, tightening saw, which we came out at the break even. Was the price respected at the 4 hour? And that's what I explained to my trader. There's a possibility price might going to reverse, because as you can see here, then I did instantly that analysis. You can see here, London morning, for look for this breakout, because the prices keep respecting it. We have a false breakout previously with the based on the previous analysis. So look for another breakout and pullback. So you can see here we had a pull breakout based on this analysis, and we have another beautiful pullback. The short trade here. Then I also did another analysis, as mentioned on the the New York session just before the news. We have this small short trade, which is, we technically came out at the break even. And after the news, as you can see here, the news reaction, once the news is finished, we explained to my trader, price develop another symmetric triangle pattern, so we can look for the breakout. As you can see here, price develop a triple top here, respected 3rd times, and beautiful breakout short trade as soon as the price hit around this level, and explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit. As you can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we refine our entries and exit, and help my traders to bank profit in real time. So guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis, alongside with a live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested, how I coach and train my traders with the live market in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Myself or one of my professional team member will help you and show you how you become a successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.